and then you get high. So get high with us. Or I should say, get lit?
Get lit.
We're gonna get lit today. All right, it's coming to you. It's EdibleDee, your girl, the Happy Chef. And we are on the Happy Chef show, as well as we are getting lit today with my girl Lit Spices, with some additions to the Happy remix of my latest cookbook, DELIC Dishes, Off-Planet Pizza. That's right. We're doing a little remix for my version in the DELIC Dishes cookbook, just letting you guys know that's DELIC Dishes, the Happy Chef's Guide to Cooking with Psychedelics. So, we're cooking with happiness, we're cooking with magic, we're getting litty, we are the Litty Committee. This is what we do, this is what we do. So, this is my Papa's Off-Planet Pizza, where we're gonna make the dough. I mean, we always be making dough, but we're gonna make some dough, and then we're actually, the remix of it is we're gonna make this particular off-planet pizza a Margarita off-planet pizza. And also we're gonna, pair that with a mezcal margarita with my girls. We're gonna do a little Himalayan pink salt de rim with that mezcal, which is the Happy Chef fave of the tequilas. And so let's get cooking, So,
boom.
Bam! I'm gonna let the Spice Queen over here. She's gonna handle the sauce. The not so secret is in the sauce. And so right now, how we start off the recipe is BAM! All right, so you guys got the list of ingredients right here, where we're gonna go step by step. Except for, again, we are making the Margarita pizza. This is vegetarian friendly, and we're back. So, secret to this recipe, as I put in my cookbook, you have to see this right here is the most perfect yeast. One packet will do you just nicely for your pizza crust. And I put this in about 3/4 cup of warm water. And the first step in this magic method is to add this into the water with a dab of honey. Honey. And we're gonna let this sit and foam up for about 8-10 minutes. Bam, I got a little dab of honey. Oh yeah, that's just, all right, let's do 2 dabs. I'm always a 2-dabber anyway. All right, so while we let that in the mix, I'm gonna let my Spice Queen get at you with the sauce.
Okay, so for the sauce, we got tomato sauce, and we're going to be throwing in the roasted garlic and herb and a little bit of the pink Himalayan salt. So, all this up in here, pour it all out, grab some tomato paste, about 3 spoons.
Yeah, make sure you get about a half a can in there. I'll say about 3 tablespoons will do you.
Yeah, so about 3.5 in there. Okay, starting to stir that all up. And then, yep, we'll get some of the roasted garlic and herb up in there. So with the roasted garlic and herb, 1 tablespoon equals out to 20 milligrams of CBD. So we're going to start with 1 tablespoon. I can eyeball it out. It's about 1 tablespoon right there. So you can add as much of it as you please.
Literally. At lit early, as you please. This is delicioso. Okay.
Yes.
Happy Chef approved.
And we sprinkle a little bit of the pink salt as well on it.
I'm a fan of that pink salt.
Yep, open it up.
Ooh. So cute!
So cute. And it smells amazing. Alright.
Oh, it does. It smells a different. Oh,
yep, now get a little bit of pepper,
Let's go ahead. We're going to add some of EdibleDee's infused olive oil right here. All right, got at least 1 tablespoon of that.
Some pepper.
I like pepper in my step. Yeah. Pepper is full of beta-caryophyllene, a very popular terpene that was actually falsely identified as a cannabinoid because it's a terpene that's in everything. It's in every single strain of cannabis, which is why it was falsely identified as a cannabinoid, because cannabinoids are only found in cannabis, whereas terpenoids are found in many other plants.
Ooh, want to taste it?
Always. Ooh. I love it.
Awesome, I trust you.
It's nice and sweet too.
Awesome.
Perfect. Perfect, stunning. Except for, hold on. It is missing.
What's it missing?
I think it's missing a little magic. I think it's missing magic. You know, I came straight out of Wonderland myself. So we got a little bit of ground magic for you, and we're gonna add in 1.5 grams of that magic ingredient for you. We're gonna play a little bit of edible roulette today. So may the odds be ever in our favor.
Oh my god, that is bomb.com.
Ooh, see, told you.
Oh my god.
It's a little sweet, right? I need to need. That's what happened, guys. All right, so look at that. This is nice and foamy, and that water and that piece of crust yeast. So I'm gonna do the 1 3/4 cups of bread flour, and I'm gonna go ahead and add our water and yeast in. Let's see. Do a little taste of some of my infused olive oil. Now let's do a little pinch of the lit Himalayan pink.
Never go wrong with that.
Can never go wrong with that. All right. I felt like a superhero when I just did that. I felt like a superhero. The dough is ready. First, spray the cooking oil in the pan. Cast irons, always good to clean with cooking oil. So I'm going to do it now. You want to go ahead and spread this dough out to your desired thickness. Now we got to add the sauce and all the cute toppings. And we're doing this Margarita. So let's go ahead and throw that sauce on there. Ooh, yes, beauty. Ooh, look at that. And once you spread your sauce on there, now it's time to add the toppings. Let's go ahead and add the cheese.